A stuck pull cord on a Toro 22-inch recycler mower usually means the engine is hydro-locked with oil or debris is jammed under the mower deck. Fixing this requires clearing the obstruction from the blade area, removing the spark plug to relieve cylinder pressure, and draining any excess fluid from the combustion chamber. Tilt the mower backward with the spark plug facing up. Tilting it sideways allows engine oil to flood the carburetor and cylinder, causing a severe hydraulic lock. Inspect the area under the deck and clear away any packed grass clippings, thick mud, or stray branches wrapped around the blade spindle. Disconnect the spark plug boot and use a socket wrench to remove the spark plug completely. A jammed cord often happens because oil has bypassed the piston rings during improper storage or tipping, creating an immovable block of fluid inside the cylinder. Pull the starter cord slowly a few times with the spark plug removed. Fluid trapped inside the cylinder will forcefully shoot out of the spark plug hole. Place a rag over the opening to catch the escaping oil or gas and prevent a mess on the mower deck. Clean the spark plug tip with a wire brush and parts cleaner, or install a brand new plug if the old one is heavily fouled. Thread the plug back in by hand to avoid cross-threading, then tighten it down with your socket wrench and reconnect the rubber boot. Check the engine oil dipstick before attempting a restart. Hydro-locking usually depletes the crankcase oil, leaving the engine dangerously low on lubrication. Top off the oil to the correct level, place the mower on a flat driveway, and pull the cord smoothly to start the engine.